I live in a townhouse and the only garden I have room for is in pots. We have many mosquitoes. Do you have any ideas on how to get rid of mosquitoes and prevent them from breeding in plant containers? I'm looking for something that will not hurt my tropical plants. Thank you, and this is Sandy from Western Florida. So they got mosquitoes down there too, huh? Yeah, so can we help out Miss Sandy?
Mosquitoes have to have standing water.
Yep.
They have to have standing water somewhere, so that's what I would look for that. And if you have standing water in the base of your tropical plants, they got to have 7 days of standing water. So if you can get all that water out once a week,
It'd help.
you know, that would break the cycle if they're breeding in that standing water.
Right.
Now, I'd be looking around elsewhere to see if there's standing water elsewhere in tires or bird waterers. And it's okay to have a bird water. Just change the water once a week.
That's right.
You know, change the water once a week. I mean, I got a call out to Graceland a few years ago when I was a county extension agent here in Memphis, and the West Nile virus was a real problem.
I remember, yeah.
And Elvis's horses had a water trough, and mosquitoes were breeding in the water trough. And I simply said, get rid of the water trough and put a smaller watering thing out here and come out here, you know, every couple of days and fill that up and you know, and pour it out and change it. And that took care of that.
Yep.
So just change something. You know, if you've got water standing, you don't have to have standing water that stands longer than 7 days. And that would break the cycle.
That would break the cycle. I'm with you, Mr. D. Yes, it's standing water. And if there is a bird bath or something like that nearby, you can actually use those mosquito dumps.
That's right. You can put that in there.
It contains BTI.
That same thing with the ornamental, you know, hardscape. If you got something like that, right?
Use those mosquito dumps and they'll do the job for you.
And if you got, there are mosquito fish that you can put in ponds and things like that, and larger standing bodies of water. You know, that's you've got to go with something like that.
Got to go with it. All right, Sandy, I hope that helps you out, especially down there in Western Florida, right?
Yeah, and there's lots of standing water in Florida.
Water down
lots
that way.
of standing water in Florida.
That's for sure. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.